No passing. Rebound by Mr. Yakapin. Mr. Yakapin. Right? Oh, there's a foul. Who's foul, right? First one, Mr. Yakapin. 5 minutes and 36 po. First quarter. Okay. Second drive. Basket. Number 13. First basket. He scores. Pass to sa ilalim. No basket. Pagaduan. So lumog.
Time out, sir. Time out.
32, Mr. Yakapin. Pass to number 13. Basket. Wala. Pass to number 37, Pagaduan. Fires for 3. Pagaduan. 3 points. Pass to Pagaduan. 4 minutes and 20 seconds.
Lakas na Yakapin.
Mr. Yakapin, the power moves. 2 points. Taigo. Up, Taigo. Up. Okay. Pagaduan, pass to Aquino. Aquino drives. Basket by Mr. Aquino. Ganda naman doon. 2 points. Yakapin, power move. No basket, but there's a foul. Ayun. Nabayagan si Mr. Yakapin. Who's foul? 24, number 24. Second try and jumpers ready. Yun, nothing but the net. Takbong mayaman. Mr. Amara. Up. No basket. Dito ng Mr. Yakapin. Power moves. Mr. Yakapin. 2 points.
Stop sa ilalim.
1 minute. Aquino, 2 points. Pass to Aquino.
Baba!
So pass to number 6, my guys, for 3. No basket, rebound by the power moves. Yakapin. He scored. 28-27.
15 seconds.
Aquino, parasin by number 6. Up, Aquino drives. Basket in the Panganiban. 2.3 by Mr. Panganiban. Aquino, harassing by number 6. Aquino, basket by Mr. Aquino. Basket. Pagaduan. Drives. Easy 2 points by Pagaduan. Pass to Mr. Aquino. No basket, Pagaduan. Easy 2 points by Mr. Pagaduan. 14 days pass to Mr. Aquino. Aquino harassing Mr. Obrim. Oh, traveling violation. Amara. Harassing by number 2, Mr. Taiko. Amara shot. Oy! Nilagay lang ang bola. Basket by Mr. Amara. Oh, nakuha ni Mr. Amara. Pass to his teammate Aquino. Aquino drives. Basket! But there's a foul. Mr. Oprim. And third per 13. Number 13 goal. No basket. Alejandro looking for teammates.
Time remaining 18 seconds.
Alejandro pass to Pagaduan for 3. Pagaduan! Bang! 3 points. Rebound by Mr. Aquino. Pass break to Mr. Amara. Looking for teammates. Mr. Amara, tinira. Basket! 2 points, Mr. Amara. Score po natin po.
Seconds.
Amara, pass to Alejandro, number 13. Basket! Nahilo ang bantay.